Okay, here we are at Town and Country, going to figure out which one is ours. Of course, I have no idea. Could be that one right there. We will find out.
Morning.
Oh my goodness, look at this little 4x4 right here. That is so cool. Oh, I bet you dollars to donut that's ours, because look at the grapple bucket on the front. Backhoe, all shiny. We're gonna go inside and find out. Okay, so I'm gonna do another longer video so you can see exactly what you're getting for your $37,000. There's the grapple bucket. You can see the piston in the front, 3,000 PSI piston. And those are the teeth right there that go down into the dirt, pull up the roots. This, they added all this, all these connectors for it. And they added these extra lines. They added extra lines here. Normally there's just 4, but we have 6. 2 for the bucket and 1 for the grapple. They put a special handle on here that has these buttons, and those buttons open and close the grapple. Here's a lever. This lever operates the backhoe. When you push it, here's our backhoe. You can see it's got outriggers right there. You put the outriggers down. Backhoe has its own seat, so you're sitting up there, running your levers, and there's the bucket. I'll step back here so you can get a really good view from the side. I'm going to walk around to the other side. Yeah. So here's the other side. There's the step. Oh. And there she is. Grapple bucket and everything. I just got stung by stinging nettle. That's why the camera jiggled like it did. And there it is. First tires touching Rosie Lane. And the back tires touching Rosie Lane. And there goes Mercy driving down Pop's other way to park so that we can get past it, just in case the keys we have don't work. this is going to be our tractor coming up to the lot where we're going to build the pole barn for the very first time. This is the old trail. Used to be our road, but thanks to Puget Sound Electric, we have decided to make a much shorter road, which is going to be part of the ongoing videos, is building the road. Right now, I am starting, you can see the pile in front of me. This has all got to go away because it used to be, it was just a pile, but now this is going to be where our new road goes. Definitely wish I could go back in time and do it differently. You can see this tractor grapple is just amazing the way it just goes in there, but we decided that by the time we would have dug through here, it would have taken forever and would have been probably broke the tractor. Now right here you see me putting the chainsaw in the back of the backhoe bucket. The reasoning behind this was you can't run over the chainsaw if it's in your bucket, and you never have to go very far to get it. The downside was the back of the handle cracked. So we had to figure out a different way, but in concept it was wonderful. You're always worried that you're going to set the chainsaw somewhere and then back over it or hit it with a log. You know, once again, this grapple is just amazing. It does in minutes what it would take us so long to do by hand. Not to mention the fact it is really fun to operate. We finally got a system. We rented a big excavator. There it is in the background there. And I would push over the trees, pull them out, and then we'd cut them up and grab them with the coyote and go stick them on the pile. In the end, it turned out to be very efficient. Coming up here though, we're going to have a contest. Ken said that the tractor wouldn't pick up this little log, and so we're about to put her to the test. I never had any doubt though. So let the test begin. Oh, I guess not quite yet. Starting now. There we go. That's probably one of the biggest alders we have. We have bigger ones, but we're not going to cut them down. Try this by hand. Didn't even grunt. That was a piece of cake. It's an amazing tractor. I love it. Coyote 4010 SE.